Paragon Acura, serving the New York area, knows that there's more to being a great dealership than just having a great inventory. It's about trust. Whether you need a new vehicle, regularly scheduled service, maintenance, or repairs, Paragon Acura has a team committed to serving you with respect, honesty, and integrity. Learn more about Paragon Acura at www.paragonacura.com. While you're there, browse our video gallery. Find out about our internet specials. Speak to an online representative to answer your questions now and see what makes us different than your average dealership. Paragon Acura is located at 5602 Northern Boulevard in Woodside, New York.